Welcome back to another video for State Income Tax Online. Today we're going to be talking about taxes in the state of Alaska and what taxes are applicable there and which ones aren't. So let's get the video started. So you can follow along on the PowerPoints as I go through them in the videos. As most of you know, Alaska does not have a personal income tax, but Alaska does have a lot of other taxes you guys should be aware of. Alaska has a corporate tax that many people aren't aware of, or they just kind of assume because there's not a personal tax, there's not a corporate tax, but there is a corporate tax. The average rate among all the corporations in Alaska for income tax is 1% to 9.4%. It's depending on the income levels, the tax bracket you fall into. As I go through the video, at any point, if you want to check out our site, we'll go to it towards the end of the video. But you can check out stateincometaxonline.com and at our site there, you can prepare taxes, you can learn more about taxes, and we cover all states in the U.S. So any state you're looking to get information on with taxes, prepare the taxes, you can go to the site. If you owe corporate tax in Alaska, your payment has to be made on or before March 15th each year. Now, this date may be adjusted depending if March 15th falls on a weekend or on a holiday for that particular year. Alaska doesn't allow for corporate extensions, and penalties apply for any payments that you make after March 15th. For your Alaska corporate taxes, if you make an estimated payment of $100,000 or greater, or if you make a payment with your tax return of $150,000, you have to make those payments online. So you can't make those payments by check and mail it in. You have to do it electronically, which is another great reason I always recommend preparing your taxes online if you can. So what I want to do right now is I want to take you guys, let's cover this real quick. Some of the other taxes which we're going to go over once we go to the site in Alaska that you guys should be aware of is estate tax, employment security tax, sales and use tax, and withholding tax. So let's go to this website real quick. I want to take you guys to the Alaska website first. Just go to tax.alaska.gov. And then in the upper left here, you can follow my cursor. We have all the different tax types that you can look at. So we'll go to corporate income tax. Let it load up here. So this pretty much has the forms that if you're not going to do it electronically, you can download the forms here. I always recommend doing it electronically, though. That this is a good way to make errors and problems on your tax return is doing it by paper. But this is the site. Let's see here. Sales and use tax. They have a link that's going to go to the Alaska Department of Commerce and Economic Development page to get more information on that. But it'll get you there. Okay. Now, stateincometaxonline.com. If you're looking for the Alaska tax information as far as filing, what you can do is go to this site, stateincometaxonline.com. You see Alaska here, click here if you want to learn more about it. You have a category here you can click, and up here you can use this. If you just don't want to go right to preparing a business tax return and entering the information, you can use any of these links here. And these links do have a calculator where you can estimate your taxes, so that's really nice. So again, the two sites that are probably most important to you guys is taxalaska.gov and then stateincometaxonline.com. I want to go back and hit a couple points real quick here. The important thing to remember here is, like other states, if you're filing, say you have a business that you guys run business in multiple states, you're planning on extensions for those states, because most states do give you extensions. Alaska will not give you an extension, so they don't even consider an extension. So you want to make sure you have that return filed by March 15th with your payment. The penalties and interest is pretty significant there. So that's all I wanted to hit on before we end up in the video today. So you can learn more about Alaska taxes in other states. Like I said, if you're conducting business within multiple states, I recommend you checking out stateincometaxonline.com. We have more videos on YouTube, and thank you for watching the video today.